This is Carex cristatella. This is Carex diandra. This is Carex molesta. This is Carex crinita. This is Carex granularis. Carex interior, rosea, or they're all blending together now. I don't know.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just sniffing this reed canary grass.
That each of us picked that we worked on throughout the whole internship.
And it really just kind of helped guide our experience. It's English ryegrass, not a true rye.
Right here we got a katydid.
This is an unidentified fungus as of right now, but it's so beautiful.
Here, got a hands comparison.
It's
Brown-eyed Susan, some occidental or oxide daisies, whichever you prefer. We got some yarrow. Also daisy fleabane. Wow. And they're delicious.
very beautiful fungus, one of my favorites.
Grasshopper.
Ooh,
What are these? Oh, there's two earwigs there.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes they go in your ear.
Asparagus corosa is ready, and I checked, it's got seeds.
So what do they eat here? They eat those June berries?
Now he's going that way.
Ooh, I see him.
This one's a box elder, so it's actually in the same genus as maples are.
So we had about 7 or 8 education days throughout the summer, kind of learning how other people deal with preservation and some other just cool things within the prairie. So, yeah.
Learn a lot about different ecosystems and our part in maintaining them. I got a lot out of this internship and a lot of things that I didn't expect to get out of it. So I got to learn all about native plants.
Definitely an increased appreciation for our native plants.
When I used to look at a prairie, I used to just say like, wow, that's beautiful, you know, not really realizing what's in there. And now that I know which guys are the bad guys, you know, the invasives, I don't think that as much anymore.
It was really fun for me to dive back into something that I've been super passionate about.
Learning about different management techniques.
I have a better idea of what I want to do in terms of my education and my future.
Also met a lot of good friends.
Great group of people.
A whole new group of friends.
A ton of new friends. I just made a lot of new friends here, and I love them all. Hey there.
Hey.
Hello. Oh, hey.
It's me.
Oh, yeah.
Now go get the colloidal flow.
We're lost in the woods.
Pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more Hello.
You know, having guys like Kevin and Corey Powell and Luke around, really, they just know so much about the prairie. So they taught us a ton of stuff.
They really guided us. Whenever we had questions, they either had an answer or would do anything they could to find us an answer.
So I think we all just want to say that we're very thankful.
Listen to that second note.
Whoa!
You listen. 3, yeah.
To the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Alright, so we're gonna make a burrito.
Goodness.